Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Nintendo Switch error code 2318 to 1500. The error comes when users try to play online, such as joining a Mario Kart Wii match, but soon after connecting, they get disconnected and see this error code. According to our research, the error may be related to your network connection, especially your home internet or router. In some cases, it may also be a temporary issue with Nintendo's online services. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to connect your Nintendo Switch to the internet using a mobile hotspot from your phone. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned off on the phone so that it uses mobile data only. Once connected, check if the error still comes. If it works fine over the hotspot, then the issue is likely related to your home internet or router. In that case, check your network and try again. If the error still persists over the hotspot too, then check if you need to update your Nintendo Switch. If an update is available, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then go to nintendo.co.jp/net_us/index.html and check if Nintendo's online services are currently down. If they are, wait and try again later. At last, if the error still persists, then you should contact Nintendo support and check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.